tutorial will be on the blog for the website. So if we come to About and we hit blog, we're going to see there's one item here, one article, and there it is. So what you would think is you want to edit the page and update this, but that's not how you do it. This is a page that's made up, that's the blog that is made up by blog articles, and the articles are actually, if you come here, articles. So if you look at articles and you apply it to see it here, you'll see this article here, and you'll see that this is that article. So you can edit it here, and you'll see it's the same type of, you put up an image, there's text, and you save it. And when you save it is when it appears on the site. So you can have it timed articles. Let's go back to content. I have a test, but you'll notice here published. Yes for that article, no for this test. I'm gonna publish this test, and you can do it on the actual article itself, or you can come here and publish it. You never want to delete, so it doesn't appear on the site, not because it's deleted, it's because it's not published. So I published this article. So there's 2 articles that are published now. So if we go back to the blog and we go to About blog, you'll see there's just, I put an image in there with CDD, the colors for cliptoler, the name test, there's no information. If you read more, you'll probably just see that there's no information. You can edit articles when you're on their page. Actually, that's just, oh, sorry, we're editing the image here. Actually, you can, the best way to edit articles is here, and you got to edit it. So you're editing an article type. Here's the body, 4dB. So we're going to we'll change 4dB to Ernest Thompson. And we want to save that. And we want to go back home. And then we'll go back to the blog. You see the blog has the 2 articles. Keep it safe, and this one here. And so, oh, that's where you can edit it here actually. So no, that's editing the image. Sorry, I keep messing that up. You want to edit. This is a view, so you never want to edit in the view. You can come here. Let me see if I can show you that. That's editing that image. You want to edit it here. Sorry. And that's where the body is. There's the Ernest Thompson. And so, again, we didn't want this one to appear, so we go to the publish. I'm showing you a different way to publish and unpublish. Never delete. Just save it. You go back to the blog now. And if you're logged in, let me go back there a second. You're logged in, so you can see articles that you've unpublished. They have like a slight pink background, but no one else can if they're not logged in. So if you see the blog now, only the one appears. And this is where you can build your blog, and it'll be good to continue to add articles and build it and make it something that people will come back to. And so that's the end of this tutorial.